In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an inner and outer tie rod assembly on a Nissan NV2500. It is located behind the front wheels. After you lifted and supported your vehicle safely, you have 8 21mm lug nuts. You need to remove those. You also have a center cap. You can remove that. Once you have all your lug nuts off, remove your wheel. After you remove your wheel, your inner and outer tie rod assembly is here. It connects to the knuckle. You need to remove this cotter pin and this 22mm nut. After you remove your nut, you want to tap your knuckle with a rubber hammer to separate your tie rod from your knuckle. As we go to the inner tie rod, your inner tie rod is held on by a 24mm nut. You need to remove that cotter pin and nut. If your cotter pin doesn't come out, you can cut your excess off. Then you can pull through. Just like we did with the outer tie rod, you can hit right here and remove your inner tie rod from your center link. If that doesn't work, you can use a tool like this to separate the two. And there's your inner and outer tie rod. Before you install your inner and outer tie rod assembly, you need to remove your nut and discard the plastic caps, both sides. You want to take a quick measurement up to the old one and just get it close to it before you install it. But keep in mind, once you replace this, you're going to have to bring your vehicle to a shop for a front end alignment. You can install your inner tie rod into your center link first and install your nut. Now you can reinstall your outer tie rod into your knuckle. Tighten both nuts. Your inner nut is 98 foot-pounds. Now you can install your new cotter pin. And your outer tie rod nut is torqued at 99 foot-pounds. Now you can install your new cotter pin. Before you reinstall your wheel and take it for a road test, make sure your 2 jam nuts are always tight. Now you can reinstall your wheel, take it for a road test. If you don't hear any funny noises, bring it to a shop and get your front end aligned. Install your center cap. Now tighten down all your lug nuts. Once you tighten down all your lug nuts, you need to torque them down to 131 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.